What's the deal, y'all? This your boy. Damn. Blooper, though. I dropped the camera. What's the deal, y'all? This your boy, Motor City Neat, man, and I'm checking in with another video. Your boy back. I'm just doing y'all a little tutorial, man. You see, I'm in the Caprice. That's my other dash pad that I'm about to put in my Impala. I'm about to get that custom wrapped and hooked up. So that way I'll put it in that thing over there. You can see, oh, right there. There you go. But just doing a quick little short video, man. I gotta be having stuff on my face, man, but it is what it is, though. That's not what I'm here for, but I'm doing a little short video, man. I'm about to be changing out my cluster and shit that's in my Caprice. I'm about to switch it out. That's my new one that I got right there that I just picked up in my other video you seen earlier in the week. I grabbed that from a junkyard, so fingers crossed that that mug worked. And then I'm about to show you, that's the old one. So I'm about to swap that mug out, man. You know, show you what it do. Hopefully it work, but yeah, you know, we never know. Yeah, you see, let me see. I'm about to show y'all so y'all see, man. See my gauges and all that shit. Gauges and all that stuff is on. Everything. I just got the key turned, so you know what I'm saying. It ain't running or nothing, but you can see none of this worked. Shit broke, fucked up, all that. So hopefully, man, when I get done doing this, everything be working and functional, man. And fingers crossed that the Digi Dash work in this one, man. So I'm praying, man. Wish me luck, y'all. Okay, y'all, your boy back, man. Finally got the cluster out. You know, this is my old one. Man, there's a lot of shit that's broke off into this mug. I mean, you can hear it. It's just all type of ish falling out. You know what I'm saying? So, everything ain't to par with this one, but shit, my gauges don't seem to be acting right. A lot of stuff was kind of messing up. Oil pressure gauge. Yeah, a lot of stuff wasn't acting up. Mainly this wasn't working. But I don't know, just to give somebody a heads up that might be doing this for the first time or never did this before, you have to partially take your dashboard apart. It's a main screw on the side that released this. I don't want to take the top dash off, so these bolts are still in there, but I took the bottom part off just to kind of pull it off the hinges and drop it down. You also got to drop your steering wheel down. You know, you got to let the steering wheel down, as well as you got to put your car in there and to drive and put your foot on the brake and let that mug down. You also got to, you know what I'm saying, take that shroud off too. So just want to show y'all, man, kind of what it looked like, you know what I'm saying, when you're replacing a cluster and stuff. But hopefully all goes well, and I'll let you know what this new joint look like. All right, y'all, a little disappointment, man. It's not on. I'm about to do a little cleaning. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it apart. I'm gonna take it back out, take it apart, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this off. This is my old one, but I'm gonna take this out and I'm gonna clean it, and then I'm gonna put it back on to the little hinges. So, and I'm gonna see if that worked, because actually that helped me out with this one. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna test it out, and I'm gonna see how that worked, and then hopefully it worked. If not, then I just gotta take it for what it is. This one looks better than that one though, so it is what it is. But I'm gonna try to test it out and see what it do. All right, y'all, in case you wanted to know why this cluster wasn't working, Your boy had a heavy hand. I was hitting on it, beating on it, trying to get it to come back on, and that's the result. You see that? This is the result. Broken glass. So of course this wasn't gonna come on for at all. So trying to get it to focus. There you go. See? So it's a doozy for this one. This one is done. It's no salvaging this or saving this. I might take some of the bulbs out, you know, stuff like that, but I ain't worried about it. I don't know. Some of that, that looked pretty bad. I don't think you're supposed to do that. Nah, you ain't supposed to do none of this stuff, so. Look like this gonna be trash for the most part, but I just cleaned that one off. I'm about to put it back in there and see what it do, and hey, hopefully it give me some good results. All right, y'all, your boy back, man. This is my original cluster right here. So I think what I'm gonna do, cause it did work. The only thing that didn't work on my cluster was that, cause I broke that. So what I did is bust it down, man, and I took the back of the guts and stuff out. So what I'm gonna do is take this, because I did know my digital dash was working when I had it hooked up to that. So hopefully I could switch this with the new one, because I'm not getting nothing with this one at all other than the gauge is working. So I'm gonna swap that out and switch the back of this with my original one and see what results I come with then. If not, man, I'm gonna take it for what it is, and I'm gonna just rock out with the way it is like that, and I ain't gonna stress it. But this is where I'm at, man. Update. So I'll let you know what I come up with in a minute, man. All right, y'all, boy Motor City Neek back, man. It's been a long, kind of like a long day. It ain't too bad, man, but shoot, to be honest, for the most part, I ain't get it to work, man. No luck. Shit. This was the old one. Cracked up, broke. I changed out the circuit on my cluster, the back part circuit board. I swapped that out and I put the 95 back in there, which my original cluster. I put that back together and I switched it with the new one that I got, thinking that, you know what I'm saying, it'll get the Digi Dash to work. But I think the digital dash part is gone already. You know what I'm saying? It ain't no saving. I think it was just already just out its misery and wasn't no luck with it, man. So you can see I got that mug in there, but still no Digi Dash, nothing. So unfortunately, it was an epic fail. It didn't work, man. Even me changing out the circuit board and switching the circuit board and trying to change it up, it's just the actual digital dash cluster part that's on the inside is gone and burnt out. So you know, it's all good. You win some, you lose some, man. I can't complain at the end of the day. So, but you know, first time checking your boy out and you had a chance to sit through this video and watch the whole thing, man, I appreciate that. Make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you join that Motor City crew, man. Keep up to date with your boy, you know. Shoot, I post pretty frequent videos for the most part and stuff, man, and I'm just taking people on my journey, you know, with my builds and stuff. I'm gonna show you, you know what I'm saying, show you the whips real quick and shit, then I'm out. How you doing? That might sound good. Look at my Impala over there. Sounds good. Got them dual exhaust. unfortunately, no cluster. But it's all good. All right, y'all, your boy Motor City Unique, man, checking out with another video. I'll holla at y'all. Peace.